I only joined her a couple of a few days back, and here's what I want to share with you guys. It's literally like you're stepping into a vortex of magic and power. So within a couple of days of joining Ingrid's team and the Six-Figure Diva, I sold one spot, my first spot in my mastermind, which I also created once I joined this program within a couple of days. So I sold a spot in my mastermind for $2,500. This is just within the couple of days of joining. So I'm very excited about this because there's just unlimited possibilities of what can happen if this has happened in the first few days. And just quickly sharing with you, so before that happened, I have years of experience in different modalities. I'm a Reiki master, I'm a hypnotherapist, I'm a life coach. I've studied with different coaches over the years, but what I quickly learned coming into Ingrid's Vortex and signing up for the Six-Figure Diva program was that I learned the tools to bring about everything I've learned over the years and create my mastermind. And that is something I did not learn, from anyone else. Like just stepping into this vortex, the kind of vibration, you up-level yourself and bring yourself to the kind of vibration so you get clarity as to what is that you want to offer to your people, to your clients, to your women. And so I was able to do that, and I packaged my mastermind. I'm actually still tweaking it, but it happened so quickly, I could not believe it myself. So I wanted to come and share with you guys. If any of you women are sitting, thinking about it, wishing and hoping that you could do this and had the resources, I just want to share with you, if I can do this, so can you. Chant the mantras that Ingrid very generously puts on the group. Chant them, feel them in every cell of your body. So did I. And I got the resources, and within a few days of signing up and getting onto the other side, I have stepped into this vortex where, it is unparalleled support. These amazing coaches, Tori, Lisa, and Emily, who really helped me on my journey to come to the group. Just sensational, unparalleled support, vortex of high vibrational women. The moment you step into that, you feel like you're stepping into your power, and it's just something that you don't get to experience anywhere else. So to all you beautiful women who are thinking about it and not sure, I know it's a big investment. I just want to share with you that this is what's happened to me. And a quick note, I do not know how Ingrid does that, but this woman is so amazing. I shared what had happened in the couple of days, and I shared my plan for the next 30 days. I want to earn 30K. That's my plan. And this beautiful woman already gave me a strategy, which I'm getting goosebumps as I speak, because I'm so excited to bring my dream to life. And now I know it's possible with the kind of strategies Ingrid's team and coaches offer you. I think it's just beautiful. So step in there, hopefully, and I hope to see you on the other side of this group. And good luck with everything. I just wanted to share it with you women because I feel really happy for myself, and I'm deserving, and so are you beautiful women. Lots of love.